students. Today class is science. In our last class, fifth lesson is completed, students. I hope that you all are also completed in our notebooks. Also. We are completed in our notebooks. Bring your notebooks and come to school, students. Today I will correction to your notebooks. Today started a new lesson, sixth lesson, habitat. First of all, do you know, students, what is the meaning of habitat? The habitat means some particular organisms are they are live in some particular places. The types of places are called habitat. Like fish. Where is the fish live, students? The fish is live in water. Where is the tortoise live? The tortoise also live in the water. These are the habitat for the fish and the tortoise. Some animals are live on the earth. Some animals are live in water. Some animals are fly in the air. There are the habitat for organisms. So this is the habitat. First of all, activity 1. Activity 1, students. Who lives where? Who lives where? Who lives where? Who lives where? This is the activity 1. First of all, here you can list out some animals or birds and insects names also. Now you can observe which organisms are where did place. This is the activity 1. Here students can explain some organisms. First of all, you can take underground. Now you can observe which organisms are living underground, like snake, earthworms, frogs. These types of organisms are living underground. Next, on the ground. Now you can snake. Next one, cat. Next one, lion. These are the living on the ground. Now you can write the on the ground which animals, birds or other insects like you can write the on the ground column. Next, in on water. In water. Now you can write the on water snake. In water walrus. Now also in water tortoise. Next some other places. In these places are which organisms live in that places. Now you can write the names of in these organisms, and also in different places are which animals are living. Now you can write the types of organisms on the other places. Some other places. Some other places means some organisms like middle of the rocks. Some organisms are like holes on the ground. Like that, which organisms are like that places. Now you can write that organisms names on that column. Okay, students. This is the first activity. Next, for example, you can different types of organisms is difficult to find areas. Just you can one type of plant and animals is difficult to study. So you can take an area. Now you can observe that area which animals are which organisms and which birds are live to where the types of organisms and write in these columns, students. Okay, next pond habitat. Pond as a habitat. Next topic is pond as a habitat. There are several organisms organisms in a pond. When there are study closely, we need to see the different types of organisms. Now you can leave the different types of regions in the ponds. Communications of some organisms are present. So you can take the pond. First of all, you can observe the pond above which types of organisms you can live that, and pond regions which types of organisms you can observe the which types of organisms like that, and pond in water which types of organisms are like that, pond on water which types of organisms are like that. You can observe the in the pond are regions are there. Now edges margins are there, in lower place are there, and upper place are there. Now one pond you can take an example. Now so many edges are which types of pond surroundings are like that, some organisms also, and some like that ponds in animals, and upper place surface of the animals, pond regions and pond margins also. So many types of organisms are like that. This is the pond. Next activity 2. Activity 2. Organisms that live in different levels of a pond. First of all, here some questions are given students for you. Now you can read in these questions. Now you can try to maximum answers the given questions. First of all, you can observe the ponds. Some organisms stay in ponds, stay in different regions in the ponds. Now you can write the how many types of organisms stay different types of the ponds. Is there any animal with legs or ponds? In which organisms are lives in the ponds? That organisms are legs are there not. Now you can observe that organisms legs. And the plants, some plants are so growing in ponds. Now you can write the plants names on the in the ponds. Okay students, here aquatic habitat. Which types of aquatic? Aquatic habitat. Which types of organisms and plants live in water? The types of plants and animals are called aquatic habitat. Now aquatic means water. Which types of organisms or plants live in water? The types of habitat is called aquatic habitat.